Have you ever lived in a community with 12,000 square feet clubhouse heated facility? Have you ever thought about living in a community where it feels like you're on vacation every single day, like you're on a resort? Well, today I'm taking you to a 55 plus golf community right here at Falls Village by Stanley Martin in Durham, North Carolina. Hey everyone, this is Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle area of North Carolina. If you've been thinking about downsizing, simplifying your lifestyle, or just enjoying more of your time doing what you love, this is definitely a community you're going to want to see. Where premier 55 plus golf community here in Falls Village in Durham. And what I love about this location is how convenient it is. You're just short drive downtown, close to shopping, Research Triangle Park, and some of the top medical facilities in this area. So everything you need is right around you. Now, let's talk about lifestyle because this is where this community really stands out. Imagine not having to worry about yard work anymore. Lawn maintenance is taken care for you. So instead of mowing the grass, you're enjoying your mornings, meeting neighbors, or just relaxing. Clubhouse, when it comes to this amenity in this community really delivers. You got a resort-style pool with spacious deck, a community clubhouse with nearly 12,000 square feet of heated space. Perfect for gathering year-round. And even covered outdoor areas where you can sit back and unwind. It has billiard room, fitness center, yoga room, pool with zero entry to walk gradually, and lap lanes. They have racket center. And if you love staying active, there are 12 pickleball courts here, 2 tennis courts with viewing stands. Well, also additional amenities, 14 miles of walking trails and plenty of space to enjoy the outdoors. They have dog parks and, dedicated lifestyle coordinating, planning the events. So there's always something going on from social gathering to community events on the event lawn and plenty of outdoor space. Dog parks and a lifestyle coordinator. So your dog gets the exercise and you get social time. And somehow your calendar ends up busier and having fun when you're working. Of course, the golf membership incentive also. So if you're looking for a place that combines comfort, convenience, and a true sense of community, you're going to want to stick around because I'm going to show you what living really looks here at Falls Village. Hey everyone, I'm Anjanette, your local realtor here in the Triangle of North Carolina, helping people move to places like Cary, Raleigh, Durham, and Apex. And if you've been thinking about moving to North Carolina or just curious what it is like to live here, you're in the right place. I tour homes, explore communities, and basically do all the walking so you don't have to until you're ready to move. So why don't you go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and tap that bell so you won't miss anything. And whenever you're ready, 9 days or 90 days or 9 months, reach out to me. I help people just like you every day, and I'd love to help you. So now let's take a tour one of the model homes. Welcome to Falls Village by Stanley Martin Home. And today we're going to tour a beautiful floor plan here, which is named The Brand. The Brand has about 2,500 square footage to 2,600 square foot. And it's one of their biggest model homes here in Stanley Martin by Falls Village. And this one offers about 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. So why don't we take a tour right now? Right away, you can notice that there's like a one-car garage over that side. And then let's go. Right here is, right away, you have an easy access to another garage over here. Right now, it's just being used as storage, but you can use it as a two-car garage, and there's one separate garage over that side. And here's your landing area here on that side. And then it has this coat closet right here. And then as we open up, let's go toward here. Here's a half bath for you. Here's another bedroom down here. Could be your office space or your guest bedroom if you want to. But this one is being used as a office. If you notice the height of these doors, they're not the standard. These are probably about 8 feet tall because this floor plan is about 10 feet high. If you can just notice how high the ceiling, it gives you that openness and spaciousness. You know, that's something that you notice. This is your washer and dryer room right here. Oh, it's that cute that there's a dog bed right there. Dog couch, that's cute. And then this floor plan, as you notice how grand it is, I heard this is one of the most popular also floor plan because once you come in, you already feel that spaciousness. But look, let's go towards here. Do you want to see the primary bedroom right away? Well, remember I said there's 3 bedrooms here. Here's another guest bedroom for you. The other one, you can use it as an office, but this one is a nice bedroom here. And here's the closet space for this bedroom right here. And then there's a full bathroom to be used there. And at the same time, you're going to be leading here to another secondary bedroom here. This is bedroom number 3. Number 2, I'm sorry. Number 2, there's 3 bedrooms here. 1 bedroom right there, another bedroom here. And then this bedroom, second bedroom, has also the closet space here. Ooh, I like this orchid. Did you notice this orchid wallpaper right here? Beautiful. And let's go towards here. So as I mentioned, there's an office space there and 2 bedrooms on that side, a half bath and the washer and dryer. And this one opens up to this spacious living space. Wow, I love this openness. You know, right away you have this huge living space here, your living area, and a nice fireplace right here. And look at this. Added living space for you guys. Wow. This is perfect for entertaining as well, or just more spacious living space for first floor living. Look at the kitchen right here. Kitchen is huge too. Look at the long, spacious counter space that this kitchen offers. I love this floor plan. Actually, this is my favorite, tell you honestly. I like the layout because everything is over here. Everything like all, you know, you have plenty of seating arrangement and nice walk-in pantry. Look at this. Nice. And look at this big area right here. Wow. This is really spacious dining seating here, don't you think? Yeah. I love this. This is my favorite floor plan actually, if you ask me. I just like the space here. Even if you said you downsized, but you still look like you still have all the space that you needed. And now as we enter this primary bedroom here, amazing, amazing size. Look, it even has that accent color for the tray ceiling. Look at this, it's so open. Look at that. I can feel the openness. One thing I appreciate about this, the ceiling height is that, it gives you that grand openness in the space. And everything just looks so and feels very spacious. I like it. I really appreciate that they, have increased the height of the ceiling. And look, there's plenty of space here. Even if you have this big, huge king-size bed, you can also have a seating arrangement here for added convenience. Beautiful, large side table that you can use this for storage. And wow, as we enter his and hers sink space here, 2 vanity sinks. And then the size of this shower, very, very good. And here is the private commode here. And I keep mentioning the height, the comfort height, 17 to 19 inches, only for primary bedroom for added comfort. Regular commode is only 15. So this is really good for people that have knee issues or hip issues. And more closet space here. And then to your right is your spacious walk-in closet. Wow, it's even deeper here. It looks like there's a nice partition here. And it goes all the way back here. Beautiful. I think there's plenty of space in this closet space. So yeah, I'll talk to you more about the price and more details on the next video. So their base price is ranging from $449 to a little bit over $700K based on the plan and the upgrade and the elevation. So there's plenty of options here to customize your home according to your budget and your lifestyle. 12 floor plans according to them that you can choose from. And right now there's 24 home sites available here, and they will be opening 600 more home sites by the opening that they're going to open by the end of the year. So their monthly HOA dues is $275, and mind you, what is included in it? The spectrum is included, which is internet gigabyte up to 1 gigabyte, 70 channels on demand. Also, your access to the community clubhouse, which is 12,000 feet of heated space. They have pool, racket center, dog park, and more. And also the best part, you don't have to mow, to edge, to prune, to weed, to fertilize, and more. So you don't have to take care of your lawn. They will be included in your HOA dues. And that's an amazing deal, isn't it? Also, in the area here, I would like to mention about the distance. Downtown Durham, 7 miles. Downtown Raleigh, 20 miles from here. And the Durham Market, Durham Farmers Market, 8 miles. And to the RDU Airport, it's only 10 miles. Shopping here, the Briar Creek area, 6 miles. It has 75 stores and restaurants and more. South Point Mall, 13 miles. 3 major hospitals, Duke, Rex, and UNC, 15 to 19 miles. And Deepak Center, Performing Arts Center, 10 miles. If you love sports, PNC Arena is only 16 miles. Durham Bulls Athletic Park, 10 miles. And if you love outdoor, Falls Lake is only 6 miles here. You can bike, you can hike there. And there are 300 campsites offering overnight experiences. Jordan Lake, 30 miles. Mountain to Sea Trailhead, 4 miles. American Tobacco Trailhead, 9 miles. And here's what's bonus for you. They have current incentive, $10,750 in closing costs. with their preferred lender. And also they have offering reduced pricing in their homes as well. So if you've been considering to move to a 55 plus community, I'd love to show you around and help you every step of the way. You can call me, text me, or send me an email. I'd love to hear from you and what you're looking for, and I would love to help you through the process. And just remember, I help a lot of buyers locally and also those relocating from out of the state, out of town. There are so many great options here in Durham. And this could be where you find your next home at Falls Village. Watch out to the next neighborhood drive after this. So what's the best thing about living in North Carolina? What do you guys enjoy most besides golfing?
Well, I want to say about golfing because you can golf 12 months a year, and not every day, but there's beautiful days every month of the year that you can get out and play, enjoy yourself, and head with your buddies and have a good time.
Perfect. What about you, sir?
I love this area. Falls Village has improved greatly over the last couple of years. I personally, being from California, I love the coast here in North Carolina. I go there quite a bit to go fishing and just love the coast. Live very close to here, love this area.
Yes. Okay. Ready? Here we go.
Enjoy.
Oops.
Yay.
Yay.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry.
Keep it on repeat, tested by the passion, love